Alrighty. We are recording. This is our sealed case. Leo's personal case. Good luck. One, two, three, four. Empty box. Alrighty. Let's see what this has in store for us. Alright, good luck. First box. Alright. Lamar Miller, Myles Garrett. First two base. For the San Francisco 49ers, Dave Wilcox to 99. For the Chiefs, Rich Gannon, 3-color patch. 1 of 25. Kirk Cousins, 10 of 49. That might be the first Kirk Cousins relic I've seen out of this. For the Cowboys, baby. Dax Prescott and Dez Bryant, no more. 22 of 25. 3-color, 2-color. Bye-bye, Dez. Budda Baker to 99 for the Cardinals. Good old Budda. Budda Baker. For the San Francisco 49ers, CJ Beathard. 37 of 99. Dear valued collector, the future, Jabril Peppers. You're gonna have a lot of autographs. That might be okay. That might be alright. And Mama gonna knock you out. 21 of 25, 2-color patch, Joe Mixon. Mama gonna knock you out. Box number 1. Box number 2. Come on, Logo Shield. Michael Thomas to 75. Amari Cooper to 89. For the Bungles, 2 times. We got Jeremy Hill and Joe Mixon. This is a Mama Gonna Knock You Out hot case. First couple top loader packs. Finish. For the Rams, Josh Reynolds, 3 color. 20 of 25. 3 color. Zay Jones, Curtis Samuel, and Juju Smith-Schuster. Nazir Jones, rookie autograph for Seattle Sea Chickens. 39 of 49. Curtis Samuel. Why is it not focusing? There we go. Curtis Samuel for the Panthers. Old guy. 27 of 34, Dwight Clark. Relic autograph. I think he's sick. I think he has cancer. And for the Texans, 11 of 99, triple relic on card, Deshaun Watson. That's not bad. Not the RPA we were looking for, but he might still have an RPA in here. We had two Leonard Fournettes before. Box number 3. Eli and Devonta Freeman, to 49 and 99. Earl Thomas, 61 of 99 for the Seattle Sea Chickens. Also for the Seattle Sea Chickens. Oh! 42 of 99, Russell Wilson and Dougie Baldwin. Oh! Leonard Fournette and Dalvin Cook, dual logo shield from the Glovey Glove Gloves. Very nice. 101 dual logo shields, Leonard Fournette and Dalvin Cook. Not too shabby. For the Colts, another 101 right behind it. 2-color patch. 7 of 25, Marlon Mack. 101 printing plate. The Redskins. Clinton Portis. 101 for the Redskins. This is a true RPA coming up. I don't know who it is, but we'll see. Jamal Williams, true RPA to 99 for the Pack Attack. Then we got another old guy. $12 of 25. Rich Gannon. Greatest signatures, Rich Gannon. And finishing up with a nice hit at the back of the box. 6 of 99, Leonard Fournette. Last box. Let's get a couple more 101s. Couple more 101s. 2 that box. Let's get 2 more this box. Let's get a real logo shield. Love that sound. Last box. Good luck. Isaiah Ford to 99, rookie autograph. Pierre Garçon. I guess there's only one base card in this box. For the Redskins, Joe Theismann, 9 of 15, paint patch. 1 color paint patch. 1 of 10, Matthew Stafford, colossal relic. For the 49ers, 1 of 10, CJ Beathard. 2 color patch, 2 color patch. Is that 3 1 of 10s in a row? No, 9 of 15. Alright. Mike Evans, book. 5 color patch. 20 of 25. For the Seattle Sea Chickens, Amar Darboh to 84. 4 color patch. RPA. Jamal Adams, Marcus May, dual autograph to 99. To 99, John Ross the third. And ooh, NFL great signatures. Tony Gonzalez, you might like that one, huh? Probably in a Falcons uniform. Very nice. That's it. Not a bad case.